Honor and the luxury design company Porsche Design announced a deal to collaborate on upcoming high-end smartphone devices. Nothing much has been known, but except that the first models will arrive in January 2024. As per new leaks, the first Porsche Design model will feature a Magic6 Pro and a Magic6 Pro Porsche Design. The leak came from a Vivo user and features two different phone models. The Magic6 Porsche Design, as depicted in the leak images, has a two-tone horizontal design as well as what seems like a leather finish. Both the Honor and Porsche Design logos are clearly visible on the back. There is a Magic6 Pro which looks a bit like last year's Magic 5 Pro. The circular camera cluster looks to be a bit tighter this year, and it's notably complete with an accelerometer inspired design on the outer design of the island. It looks a bit tacky, but in the photos, maybe in real it look better. As you know, there will be three mainline Honor 6 models. There will be the Vanilla Honor, the Honor 6 Pro and the Honor 6 Ultimate. It's important to see whether each of these devices will have a separate Porsche design. There's also a Magic 6 Lite, which will be the rebranded Honor X9B and probably will not get this treatment. The Pro model will get a QHD OLED display with a pill-shaped cutout for a dual selfie camera. It's likely to incorporate a smart island notifications features. Also, you will get Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 plus a dedicated graphics and security chip. The regular 6 is expected to debut an interesting 160 megapixel periscope zoom camera.